This 12-pound demon chews through steel and laughs while doing it. Meet nature's living chainsaw. Bite force stronger than a pit bull, jaws that snap bones like twigs, and a scream that haunts forests at night. Why scientists call it Satan's pet. Eats 40% of its weight in minutes, sprays blood from its eyes when angry, immune to all known poisons. Here's the horror. They vomit on mates to avoid sex, then eat the vomit later. No fear, no mercy, just evolution's most unhinged experiment. And it's spreading. Want worse? The honey badger is next, and it solves puzzles to kill.